My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
After you have tried all the cleaning product in the market, and even a professional Oriental rug cleaner cannot remove the urine odor completely, let me show you a cleaning process that's never use a scrubber, never use chemicals. Odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea is my recipe, is my secret. And this cleaning product guarantee in writing urine odor removal by using the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea and the XpetPee machine.
Okay, I would like to show you how the PetPeePee system working. Why this machine that I built, it's different than any other process in the market. I never use a scrubber because just imagine if you're taking this scrubber and you go on this rug, all the fiber will come off, tin, 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 all over. And you ruin this beautiful needle point. So how do I clean this rug without touching the rug when I start the process? I show you. This tube is a 4-inch vacuum. I open 3 suction, it means 9 feet vacuum floor. Then below the padding is the suction. The suction coming from here. So everything then it's on the rug and the padding will go through 2 of them and clean them the right way. So the blended minerals, then I flood the rug, and you will see it in a second, go through the rug, take everything with them. The pee-pee, the cat's pee-pee, the saliva, the cleaning product the customer use, all of it will go through the rug, fall down, and go to the tube. I'll show it to you in a second, and show me what's coming from this needle point. And this is how I know if shall I continue the process or I finished, I complete. So this is how I know. This process will take about 2-3 hours. In this case, maybe a little bit more because it's a cat. However, when I finish, I will put my nose here. Guarantee no trace of urine odor. This is my reputation.